me again. Just adjusting the camera here. Of course, it won't go any higher. So let's adjust this more. Come on, up. Okay.
Honestly,
And go like this.
slime.
All right, what am I doing? Stop it here. Hello, folks. This is a double recording. She's recording slime, and I'm recording measuring. So, what am I doing? I'm measuring 18 inches because I need to cut some off. So I'm gonna average this by about 18 inches. So every 18 inches is about EA4.
All this slime.
There we go.
Bye-bye.
And Slimer here is counting slime. I'm gonna set this up in a minute to slice it up, and I haven't decided what machinery I'm gonna use to slice it, but most likely I'm gonna use a handheld bandsaw to cut this up, because that would be the easiest way to do it right now.
Bye.
Without making thousands of bunches of mess. So stay tuned for the chop. I'm gonna do this real quick, okay?
Okay.
Hello, folks. I'm using the WEN bandsaw to cut this, so keep an eye on it. That worked pretty good. Pretty damn good. Was that noisy, Kyle?
Yeah.
Was it too noisy?
Yeah.
Don't say yeah. Wasn't that noisy. Alrighty. One more cut. Ready? Okay. Next one. Oh man, we're just hanging out here. Worked beautiful. Woohoo! Who knew the wind would work that good? All right, let's leave that there for now. There's 2 cuts. I gotta do 4 cuts. 4 cuts. Do another one. And another one bites the dust. The other one I have to put on the table here. 18 inches. 18 inches. 4 easy cuts. Ouch. O-U-C-H. Is that gonna fall off? Looks like it. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Gotta move this over. Sorry, folks. Now I gotta everything over here. Gotta readjust here. Readjust. Alright. We'll put this right over here. Now we're gonna have to clamp it. Clamp it. I need a clamp. You okay with it, Kyle? This is too small. Too small of a clamp. A bigger clamp. Yeah, let's try the new one. Yeah, put this thing here. Try the new one. Here we go. This is a Strong Hand Tools little clamp here. See how good it works. Look at that. I'll buy another one. That's pretty cool. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Gotta squeeze in here. Let's move this over here a bit. What the hell's in my way here? Everything's in the way. There we go. I don't know if you can see this. This thing cuts pretty good. Pretty damn good. Move this over. Wait for a second. Gotta measure 18 inches. 18 inches. Here we come. 18 inches. Sorry about the shitty angles today, but we're gonna do some closer up action here. This little clamp is actually pretty good. Strong hand tools. Comes with the little pipe thingy you screw in, which is pretty cool. Now let's do this. Last one. Last cut. There we go. 4 cuts. Ta-da!